This Inspiritech self-leveling laser level has a powerful green beam, 4 times brighter than traditional red lasers, projecting 1x 360 degrees horizontal line and 2x 360 degrees vertical lines. This laser level provides solutions for a wide range of applications such as construction, picture hanging, cabinet installation, laying tiles, ceiling works, and all kinds of home renovation projects, with a variety of accessories including a magnetic bracket, lifting table, and a 360 degrees rotary base. This laser level will be a great help in all working and leveling conditions. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Full layout with 3x 360 degrees line lasers. All laser lines are independently switchable green beams. Inspiritech Laser Tile Level Tool provides 3 planes 360 degrees laser light, 1 horizontal and 2 vertical planes, 90 degrees apart, providing all the level, square and plumb references required for the floor, walls, and ceiling of the entire room. If you need to slope a straight line but not level projected, turn off the self-leveling feature and use the levels at any angle on a tripod under manual mode. Number 2. Applicable for floor and wall tiling. Suspended ceilings, laser at the bottom helps floor tile leveling. Square layout easier in horizontal level. 2 vertical lines crossed at 90 degrees to get a plumb line up and down allows you to get floor and ceiling squaring layout. The vertical laser line is a minimum of 7 mm close to the wall. 90 degrees angle with a horizontal line, easy for 2 walls tiling work at the same time. Laser projection covers the ceiling, wall, floor. Number 3. Various mounting options. Slotted metal plate and magnetic wall bracket allow laser level to be fastened to the wall. Wood well using for wall tiling or suspended ceiling. 360 degrees rotary fine-tune base help to mounting laser leveler on telescoping pole or place the line laser level at spots not otherwise reached by a tripod for wall or ceiling works and cabinet installation. When laying floor tile, scissor lift base works for fine-tune horizontal line projection height range from 25 to 80 mm. Number 4. 2 batteries and remote control. Each battery works for approx 3 hours. You can continue to work while extra 1 backup battery is charging with a fast charger. Inspiritech TDY1 laser level also works while in charging. Lasts you the full day if you need a level all day. The remote is super handy when you want to turn the light on off without the risk of moving laser level, so users do not have to climb down and up the ladder during the ceiling tile work process. Number 5. What you get. 1 3D 360 degrees Inspiritech laser level. 2 6000 mAh lithium batteries. 1 remote control, 1 nail-slotted metal plate, 1 magnetic wall bracket, 1 fine-turning pivoting base, 1 scissor lifting fine-tune base, 1 fast charger, 1 English user manual, 1 carrying bag with foam cutouts inside. Number 6. Note: accuracy of the laser line accuracy is +1 mm. 5 meters. Class 2 laser. Power lesser than or equal to 1 MW. We don't recommend using this Class 2 laser level outdoors in strong sunlight. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What tripod should I use for this unit? Answer: all tripods with 1/4 inch screw thread work just fine. Question number 2. How about the warranty of the laser level? Answer: this product is covered by a 12-month warranty. Question number 3. Is there a replacement battery option? Answer: this laser level set comes with 2 6000 mAh lithium batteries. You can use one and charge the other battery for backup. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.